12,000 subscribers. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And at first, I wasn't going to do this video because I was like, alright, it's 12,000, it's not that big of a deal. And then it dawned on me that there are 12,000 of you subscribed to my channel, and that is a big deal. So I was looking at this as I would be doing this for me, and that's not what any of this channel has ever been about. So I am doing this video to say how much I appreciate 12,000 of you being subscribers to this channel, because my son always reminds me, and it's a very interesting, it puts it in perspective. I've been obsessed with that word for quite a while now. If there were 12,000 people standing behind me watching videos, he goes, that'd be a lot of people, wouldn't it? And I go, yeah, that would be a lot of people standing behind me doing these videos. So it put it in perspective. So we hit this a day or so ago. So just wanted to take a second and break with our machine learning series and just make sure you absolutely know how much I appreciate the time and energy that you give to this channel, watching the videos, giving me feedback, asking me questions, joining the Discord server, asking pertinent questions for other viewers, and I just want to say thank you. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you're just kind of pondering, we are going to be doing quite a few machine learning videos, so make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. Probably need to make a page for machine learning. So we'll probably reach out to our admin to do that for me, because I haven't done actually anything with that. So that may be something I need to do the next day or so. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.